Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade A73, and today I'll show you how we can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. Now to get started, you'll want to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which will come provided with the device. But if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, stay on one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device, so right where the pin is holding. I'm going to push it in, and you can see that the tray pops out. Once you ink it out, you will have space for dedicated SD card and two different dedicated SIM cards. Now I'm going to occupy only one of those trays, at least for the SIM card, and one for the SD card. When it comes down to SIM, you can place it on either one of those or occupy both of them. It's completely up to you. And then insert it back into your device. Now you do want to do it carefully because there's nothing holding those cards in place, so they could come out a little bit and then get jammed in there. If the tray isn't going in easily, don't try to push it in with force. Just take it out, make sure that everything is in place, and then try again. Now once you insert the cards, they will start working right away, hence the pop-up for SIM card pin. So SIM card obviously is already working, and we should have also some kind of notification about, there we go, our SD card also being detected, though it's giving me a message that probably I need to format it. Or no, never mind, it says working just fine. But in any case, this is how you would insert your SIM and SD card into this device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.